Alright, welcome back to this video series in which we talk about the different hyperparameters of training a neural network and the consideration we need to take when developing a neural network model. In this video, we will talk about the effect of choosing an optimizer for training a model. An optimizer will adjust the direction of the gradient to train your model. In this video, I will use two optimizers. The simplest one called the stochastic gradient descent, or SGD, and a more complex one called the Adam optimizer. I won't go into the detail of them, but I will show how they will affect the training process. In practice, Adam optimizer is usually the optimizer to go with, as it decreases the needed epochs to train a model. Let's run the code and see how they perform compared to each other. So in the code, I have two configurations that are similar to each other. One of them is trained with the Adam optimizer and the other one is trained with the stochastic gradient descent. After that, there is another configuration which is similar to this one, and it's using the stochastic gradient descent, but it has more epochs to train with. So let's run to see how it performs. Okay, as you can see in the estimation, the model trained with Adam optimizer is performing far better, even though the training epochs is the same as the second plot trained with stochastic gradient descent. In the last plot, we trained the same model with 5 times more the epoch, or 400 more epochs, yet the estimation of the Adam optimizer is still clearly better. In the next video, I will go over the effect of choosing an activation function. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up so others can find it on YouTube as well, and subscribe to my channel for future videos.